Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Make sure you have a Google account and two-step verification because access is tighter now. Once done, open Google Cloud Console and pick or create the project you'll use. This isolates resources. Next, enable billing so API keys and quotas can be provisioned, and enable the Google AI APIs required for Gemini access. Take a moment to create an API key or service account. You'll need credentials immediately for the next configuration steps. Now you configure access. Create a service account dedicated to Gemini tasks and download its JSON key. This key is your programmatic identity. Then assign minimal roles, AI platform, storage, and viewer, so you grant only what's needed. After that, set the environment variable Google application credentials to the JSON key path on your machine or server, and install the Google Cloud SDK and the Gemini client library. Once that's complete, test a simple API call to verify authentication works before sending larger requests. To finish, run a controlled test. Send a concise prompt, request few tokens, and inspect the model's output so you can validate behavior. Once stable, scale up prompts and tune parameters like temperature and max output length. Make sure to monitor Cloud Console logs and API metrics for rate limits or errors. If something breaks, rotate the service account key, confirm IAM permissions, and verify billing is active. Those 3 fixes resolve most issues. Finally, document your setup for repeatability and secure the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.